Welcome back. In this session, we will look into complex structures within JSON, which is represented as an object. So let's start. In JSON, objects are written within curly braces and are composed of key-value pairs. A key is always a string enclosed in quotation marks. The value can be a string, number, boolean, null, array, or even another JSON object. Let's jump into the Visual Studio Code to write the code. Here we are going to write a user object called John Doe. John Doe's details are organized in a structured format known as JSON, JavaScript Object Notation. This format allows for easy representation and exchange of data. Let's break down the key aspects of how John's information is captured. Name and basic information. Name, John Doe. This line assigns the name John Doe to the attribute name in the JSON object. Age, 30. John's age is represented with the attribute age set to 30. Is employed, true. The Boolean attribute is employed is set to true, indicating that John is currently employed. Address details. Address. This is an object containing various address details. Street, 123 Main Street. The street address is 123 Main Street. City, any town. The city is any town. State, CA. The state is CA, California. Postal code, 12345. The postal code is 12345. Contact information. Phone numbers, an array containing two phone number objects. Each phone number object has a type, example, home or office, and a number. Family details. Spouse, null. The attribute spouse is set to null, indicating the absence of a spouse. Children, an array containing objects representing John's children. Each child object has attributes for name and age. This JSON representation provides a clear and organized structure for expressing various facets of John Doe's life, from personal details to family information. It's a versatile format widely used in data exchange and configuration settings due to its simplicity and readability. Thanks for watching. This is what I wanted to show you in this session. See you in the next session.